Hello guys. Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to share screen on Streamyard. Okay, so first you open up Streamyard, log onto your account, create a broadcast, in which I already did. So and the next is go to Google and open up your YouTube channel. Go to YouTube first, and then you can select which video you want to share to your viewers. So for me, I want to share my video. Go to my channel and then just open up a video. This one, I want to share Stanley Park, so let's click that. Okay, so that's the one. Okay, after that you go back to Streamyard, and at the bottom there are selections: mute, start, cam, microphone, share screen. So you're gonna pick share screen on the middle, so click that and this window will pop up, and as you can see there's a blue line at the bottom. You click that, share screen, it says share screen, and then as soon as you click that share screen window, this window will pop up again. So here we have three selections. The first on the left is your entire screen, the middle is application window, and the very right one at the end is Chrome tab. So I'm gonna pick Chrome tab, and then at the bottom you can see Streamyard, Stanley Park. So I'm gonna pick Stanley Park. That's my video that's already playing. Okay, click, and then at the bottom you can see share or cancel. So click share, go ahead and click share. Okay, and then go back to Streamyard. There you go, your video is already playing live for your viewers. So you can either maximize this one, because you don't, this one is not nice to, so go back to your YouTube, to your video, and you can maximize full screen. You can do it full screen. You can do your video full screen. Okay, so it goes this way, and then you go out, you go back again to Streamyard, and then there you go, your video is already playing to your viewers. Okay, so what you can do here is you can either maximize this one, you can watch the video in the whole screen. So you can either click here, full screen layout, or here. Okay, so we can do it either way. So we can make it full, and now you disappeared on the very, you were at the very left corner. So now you can see the full video, the full screen. Okay, and you want to go back so your viewers can see you. So click and click this one. You can exit full screen layout here, or you can click it here. There you go, so you are here at the very left side. Okay, and there you go. Now you already know how to share screen on Streamyard. Okay, so if you have more questions, just leave your comments down below, and please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Okay, bye.